Many people probably grind, gnash or clench their teeth. Teeth grinding is medically termed as bruxism. Long-term bruxism can lead to jaw pain, stiffness, headache, earache and other oral health complications like cracks and sensitivity. The most common cause for bruxism is stress. Other than this, misaligned teeth and other lifestyle factors could be the reason. So, what's the treatment? These are the mouth guards or the occlusal splints, which prevents the tooth from further damage by reducing the grinding forces. If the reason is misaligned teeth, then we can go for orthodontic procedures as well. So, if you are also facing the problem of bruxism, do visit Kosmic Dental Clinic.